This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about barware, specifically these Bev Tek SAN Tumblers. And there's two styles available, the stackable and the pebbled, and there's several different sizes available in each. We have here the 9-ounce old-fashioned, 14-ounce highball, and 16-ounce pint in these lovely stackable ones, which you can see feature that beautiful high clarity, crystal clear finish. And in the pebbled option, we have the 12, 16, and 20-ounce tumblers, which you can see features a nice, fine pebbled design to give you increased grip, which is a fantastic feature. The plastic on these is shatterproof to avoid cracking or breaking. It's a high quality sand plastic that's BPA free and features that great crystal clear finish or this lovely pebbled look. All of the glasses feature these little great design details that makes them stackable and keeps them from sticking together when they're stacked, so that they're easy to retrieve when the time comes to pour or serve a beverage. They're all dishwasher safe for an easy and quick cleanup, and they're perfect for outdoor or indoor use without worrying about having to clean up broken glass. You also avoid the expense of replacing broken glasses, which is fantastic. They can be kept in the freezer to keep your chilled drinks cold for longer, especially on those hot summer days. And these are fantastic for restaurants and bars, especially those with outdoor areas, for establishments like clubs and hotels, or just for everyday use at home for an awesome reusable plastic option.